In a prior video, I discussed the difference between a ladybird deed and a revocable living trust, and why, for most circumstances, a revocable living trust is better for dealing with real estate after you pass away. And in that last video, we talked about why it's better for multiple properties, how it's easier to amend. Certainly the revocable trust is better if any of the beneficiaries predecease you, because it can deal with that. But I'm going to link to that video so you can hear more about that discussion. And I am not anti-ladybird deed. I do them all the time. But for most people, a revocable living trust is just going to provide them significantly more protection for a variety of reasons. So click on that first video to hear more about it, but I realized after I filmed it that it's incomplete, and I wanted to add on to it a little bit, if you will. Because what I didn't focus on in that video was the asset protection component of a revocable living trust, as well as the fact that there's some other practical results when family inherits property through a ladybird deed. So first, on the asset protection side of things, you know, the ladybird deed, property passes to your heirs in their name. That's just where it goes to. And if they have creditors, predators, if they have debts that they have to be paid and want to get a divorce, you know, all of that property is now subject to these third-party threats. Whereas in a revocable living trust, if it's worded properly, there's asset protection benefits for your heirs. So that's important. There's another really practical difference that I think is worth mentioning. And that is, with a ladybird deed, let's say you pass away and after you want to go to your 3 kids and they inherit that property in their individual names, now they own it together. And practically speaking, what you've done by doing that is made them business partners. Right? They have to agree on everything. If they want to rent it out, they all have to agree. If they want to sell it, they all have to agree. If one wants to sell it now and the other one wants to wait until the market gets better, they all have to agree, and one holdout can kind of hold everything up. And if property taxes don't get paid and HOA expenses don't get paid and maintenance doesn't get paid, it causes all these other problems. So one of the last benefit, or one of the major benefits to putting property in a revocable living trust and letting that dictate who is to get your property and when, is that in addition, you can put instructions in there. For example, it could say, when I pass away, the property stays in this trust and the trustee is obligated to sell this property within a year, depending on market conditions, and then disperse the proceeds either to the beneficiaries outright or keep it in the trust to enjoy that asset protection. So I just hope this gives you a little more food for thought. Click over to that other video to hear some more thoughts about the differences between the ladybird deed and a revocable living trust. And if it's something that you want to talk about further, please give us a call. Visit www.elderneedslaw.com and you can schedule a consultation there, or call us at 305-931-0478. Thank you.